Home Project. A Lanardton DIY series. How to install a light bulb in a ceiling socket. Let's begin. Have the new light bulb ready and safe, on a solid surface, table or countertop. If possible, keep it in the original box. Make sure you have sufficient lighting in the area you are installing the new bulb. It is a good idea to purchase and keep a small, yet simple desktop lamp around for such an occasion. Also, you may want to keep on hand a step ladder tall enough to reach the ceiling without standing on the top platform. Turn off the light switch to the light socket. Remove any covering from the light source. Take photos or videos showing the process. You may need to refer back to it if it is a complicated procedure. Also, it is a good idea to wear some form of rubber gloves. This will help if the old bulb is hot and also help protect the new bulb. The oily residue from your fingers and possible static electricity could cause problems for the new bulb. Now it is time to remove the old bulb if there is one. Gently place one of your hands around the bulb. Carefully turn the bulb counterclockwise. If the bulb does not move, do not force it. We do not want to break the bulb. If this is the case, you will have to regroup with a new strategy. Google how to remove a stuck light bulb. There are tons of ways on how to handle that. Hopefully that is not the case. If the bulb screws counterclockwise, easily continue screwing the bulb out. Be prepared for the bulb to fall in your hand. Once the old bulb is in your hand, safely take the old bulb over to the area where the new bulb is. Carefully exchange the bulbs. With the new bulb in your hand now, let's reverse the prior procedure. Take your time gently screwing in the bulb clockwise in the socket until it is snug with little effort. Before placing the cover back on, test the bulb by turning it on from the wall switch. If it lights up, turn the switch off, then replace the cover. You may need the photos or videos you recorded earlier. If the bulb does not light up, turn off the switch, unscrew the bulb, exchange and test the bulb with the bulb in the lamp I told you to use. If the bulb does not work in the lamp, you have a bad bulb that needs to be replaced. If the bulb from the lamp does not work in the ceiling socket, it is time to call in a professional. It is worth the money to get this repaired right the first time. Do not take the risk of harming yourself. Let the master surgeon do what they are trained to do. You just focus on replacing that hideous light cover. Okay. You can use the flashlight feature on your phone if you do not have an extra lamp with a screw-in bulb. Now get some light on the subject. If you found this information useful, hit the like button. Consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thank you.